I got feeling that this week's gonna be a good week. That this week's gonna be a good week. And this week's gonna be a good week. Hey, guys, I got a feeling because I got a plan. I got a plan to take that bitch Elsie down, okay? That bitch Elsie went on a date with Henry last week. What? Okay, I know Henry just went on that date to spite me, okay? But deep down, he still knows we have that love that developed in my parents' basement over some grade D Courvoisier, okay? I know that. But I know this. On their date on Tuesday, I kept calling him and texting him for like an hour, saying things like, I need help, I'm scared, someone's attacking me, it's an emergency, for real, don't bring anyone. Yeah, I did, okay? And then after like an hour, he got worried. He got for real worried. But what he doesn't know is that I was at Elsie's, camped out outside her house. And what did I see? Some stupid Asian boy, okay? That she was like Danny, that ugly kid. They're like seeing each other or something. They're an ugly match made in heaven, okay? So the next day, I asked that loser Danny out, and he says yes. Boo, 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 boo. Good job, mate. It's me brushing my shoulders off. I saw it in a old school 1999 hip hop video. Anyway, I asked him out. He's like, oh, totally, yes. And now we're going to a magic show. So deal with that, bitch, Elsie, okay? Because if you mess with my man, I will take your man to a magic show. And then I'll take him to my magic show. Yeah, okay? I've done that like 3 different times with different dudes, so I'm experienced. Okay, so don't fuck with me, bitch, alright? Because I got a feeling that I'm gonna take you down, Elsie. In a good night.